Hi guys! For today, we're doing these foods and the drink Daddy's made. First, we're gonna try gummy bear. First, we're gonna try gummy bear. The pinakuli is Daddy's made because that's the secret. Wow. I like it. Okay, only one try. Oh yeah, my God. Daddy said you were gonna melt. It's for a long time. Bakit kasi long time? Wait. Let's try Yakult. Kaya ko guys, kagat. This is the mystery secret. You need to do like this. The curtain. Wait, I gotta picture it pala. Wait. Okay. Gummy bear. Wait, the mystery secret, I'm gonna not show it. Okay. Now, the mystery. The mystery. Mystery. This is the mystery. But then I have pepper. Wait. Ooh, tastes good. This is my baso, guys. This is my buy myself baso, guys.
Patuloy kaming nakikita ng mga dahon-dahong bahay. At dito sa bahay na ito ay mayroong isang bata na napakagaling at matalino.
Wait, gagawin ba?
Pagpatuloy ang kanyang pag-aaral. Ito sa kanilang bakit naman kaya sabing pagpapasya?
We're going to the bathroom.
Ang kwento ng kanyang buhay.
Guys. Guys, when I just think in the baso, there's look like there's right basa right here. I thought there's no like this.
Pwede.
Tama talaga.
Okay.
Tignan ka lang, Daddy.
Ang damit ko.
Okay.
Chinelas ko.
Naka-on na ako, Daddy, ha? Daddy, chinelas, guys.
Oh, shit. Ang linis.
Pero mabalat na, light ko. Mga ano, makinis ang balat, oh. Kahit tatay, oh, kahit yung nanay, eh. O baka dahil sa ano, face mode. Maglakad siguro.
That's all for today. Bye-bye, guys.